Hello everyone. Is your check engine light on but you're not sure why? Your OBD-II scanner might be showing P0650 malfunction indicator lamp control circuit issue. This code means there's a problem with the check engine light itself, which could lead to missing important alerts about your car's health. If ignored, you won't know when your vehicle has a serious issue. In this video, I'll explain what P0650 means, its symptoms, and most importantly, where to find the key components to fix it. Let's dive in. The P0650 code stands for Malfunction Indicator Lamp Control Circuit Malfunction. Your car's powertrain control module uses the malfunction indicator lamp, commonly known as the check engine light, to warn you about engine and emission-related problems. If the PCM detects a problem in the mill circuit, it triggers P0650, which can cause the check engine light to stay on permanently, not turn on at all, even if there's a fault blink randomly. This is a serious issue because if the check engine light doesn't work properly, you won't be alerted about critical engine problems. Common symptoms of P0650: check engine light stays on constantly. Check engine light doesn't turn on when starting the car. Other dashboard lights may flicker or malfunction. No visible driving issues, but hidden problems exist. Possible other codes related to the PCM or instrument cluster. If you notice these symptoms, it's time to locate the important components related to this error. To diagnose P0650, check these key components: malfunction indicator lamp (MIL), check engine light location, inside the instrument cluster, dashboard, part of the speedometer or digital display. Function, alerts the driver when the PCM detects a problem in the engine or emission system. Powertrain control module, PCM, location, firewall under the dashboard, or in the engine bay, varies by car model. Function, controls the check engine light, engine performance and diagnostics. Instrument cluster control module, location behind the dashboard, speedometer and gauge assembly. Function, communicates with the PCM to display warning lights including the MIL. Wiring and connectors location, between the PCM mill and instrument cluster. Function ensures proper electrical signal transmission. A broken wire or bad connection can cause P0650. Common causes of P0650: burnt out mill bulb. In older cars with traditional bulbs, the check engine light may simply be burnt out. Faulty instrument cluster. If the cluster's circuit board is damaged, the mill may stop working. Wiring issues, corroded, loose or shorted wires between the PCM and MIL can trigger P0650. Failing PCM. If the PCM itself has an internal fault, it may fail to control the mill circuit properly. Software or firmware issue. Some vehicles may need a PCM software update to fix this issue. How to fix P0650. Step 1. Check the mill bulb. If your car uses a traditional bulb, replace it if it's burnt out. Step 2. Inspect wiring and connectors. Look for broken or corroded wires between the PCM and the instrument cluster. Step 3. Test the instrument cluster. If other dashboard lights are also malfunctioning, the entire cluster may need repair or replacement. Step 4. Check PCM output signals. Use a multimeter or diagnostic tool to test if the PCM is sending the correct signals to the MIL. Step 5. Reprogram or replace PCM if needed. In rare cases, a PCM software update or replacement may be required. Step 6. Clear the code and test drive. Reset the code using an OBD-II scanner and check if the issue reappears. Ignoring P0650 means you won't know when your engine has a serious issue. Fixing it ensures your check engine light works properly, so you get warnings about potential problems before they cause expensive damage. For more car repair tips, check out these videos. P0556. Brake booster pressure sensor circuit range performance. P0557, brake booster pressure sensor circuit low voltage. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to IG Garage for more expert car diagnostics.